Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Holden Equinox LT, stock reference number 5102. This shape runs from the 9th month 2017 through to the 12th month 2020. It has a 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left garter piston have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic center console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.